First, let's install the standard resistors. It has the corresponding numbers. Then plug it in. Click on the boot. And then click on Experiment. Now set to Automatic, and click Start. This is the value of the standard resistance. And I'm gonna hit print. This is the number that's coming out right now. That's our standard resistance. Now for the three-phase transformer wiring. Then click Power On. Click Start. Tap according to their own transformer selection and the materials. We now have the wiring mode BC. Then the test mode is selected automatically. And click Start.3.3加5.52 Omega, and I'm gonna hit print. End of experiment. Click back to discharge when finished. After the discharge can be shut down.